Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into something truly exciting, Google's new VE0 AI. If you've been keeping an eye on AI advancements, you know how fast things are evolving, and VE0 is taking things to a whole new level. From natural language processing to enhanced image recognition, this AI system is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're a developer, business professional, or just an AI enthusiast, you're going to want to know all about this new tool. VE0 AI is an upgraded version of Google's original VE0 AI, and it comes with some incredible enhancements. The biggest improvement is in the area of natural language processing. Google has made great strides in understanding and generating human language with context that's far more sophisticated than before. This makes it a great fit for a variety of applications, including virtual assistants, chatbots, and any other platform where seamless communication is key. Another key feature of VE0 is its advancements in computer vision. If you work with images, videos, or any sort of visual data, you're going to be impressed by how VE0 can analyze and interpret visual information. It can recognize objects, understand scenes, and even interpret complex visual data with remarkable precision. This means it's going to be extremely useful in areas like security, healthcare, and even self-driving technology. And let's not forget about its data analysis capabilities. With its enhanced ability to process large datasets, VE0 is a game changer for industries that rely on data analysis, like finance, marketing, and healthcare. Whether you're analyzing trends, making predictions, or automating routine tasks, VE0 makes all of that easier and faster. Now that you know a bit about the groundbreaking features of VE0 AI, let's talk about how you can access and use it. The first step is simple. Open up your web browser and search for Google AI. You'll find the official website at the top of the search results. Click on the link to go directly to the Google AI homepage. Once you're on the Google AI website, look for the section specifically dedicated to VE0 AI. You'll find it under their tools or products section. It might take a moment for you to locate it, but once you do, click on it to get to the VE0 AI product page. Here you'll find all the information about the capabilities of the tool, as well as how you can start using it. To begin using VE0, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. If you don't already have one, creating a new account is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to VE0 AI's full range of features. Google also provides extensive documentation and tutorials to help you understand how to use the AI effectively. I highly recommend checking those out, as they'll give you a solid foundation for how to apply VE0's capabilities to your own projects. After you familiarize yourself with the documentation, it's time to start experimenting. You'll be able to integrate VE0 AI into your projects using its APIs, and you can start exploring its powerful capabilities right away. Whether you're building a new application or looking to enhance an existing one, VE0 AI is a fantastic tool to work with. What makes VE0 even more amazing is the potential it offers for both small and large-scale applications. Imagine creating smarter chatbots, automating tasks in your business, or analyzing complex visual data like never before. With VE0 AI, the possibilities are endless. Google has truly raised the bar for artificial intelligence, and we're only scratching the surface of its potential. So if you're interested in diving into the future of AI, head over to Google's AI website, sign in, and start exploring the new VE0 AI. Trust me, you're gonna want to get hands-on with this tool. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to get started with VE0. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tech updates. Thanks for watching.